ABC, 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 family. ABC, 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 family. Screaming all day, screaming all night. Millions on my mind, future looking bright. Started at zero.
Hello viewers! It's me again, Esang. In today's video ay ipapakita at tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang Bigo Live app. And show you its key features to help you get started, especially kung bago ka pa lang na host. First, open the app itself. Kung wala ka pang application, you can download it sa Play Store kung ikaw ay Android user, then App Store naman kung ikaw ay iOS or iPhone user. Once nabuksan nyo na ang Bigo Live app, ito ang interface niya. Huwag malito dahil very user-friendly naman ito. Let's start muna sa upper portion ng app. Meron dyan sa upper portion na magnifying icon and bell icon. Sa magnifying icon, when you click it, it's actually a search tool. Ang purpose niyan is to search the username, Bigo ID, or live title of the Bigoers. For example, I will search ABC_agency and relevant host will pop up. As a host or user ng application na ito, very useful to, lalo na kung may hinahanap kayong specific host or user dito. Make sure nyo lang na ang isearch nyo ay yung Bigo ID dahil ang Bigo ID ay cannot be copied or duplicate by someone. Unlike sa username or live title, pwede siyang magaya or maaring may makaparehas. At possible itong makakreate ng confusion sa user o host na nagsisearch sa specific profile ng Bigoers. Next naman tayo, Bigoers. Ano naman itong bell icon? This bell icon is a reminder. Usually, dito mo makikita yung mga Bigoers na fina-follow mo. So, kung ikaw ay host, alam mo na ang gagawin mo ha. Magpa-follow ka ng magpa-follow sa lahat ng user ng Bigo. Para sa ganun, ang cover photo mo or ang profile mo ang ma-recommend sa reminder nila. Dahil may chance na pwede nilang makalimutan ng Bigo ID mo, o kaya naman mahirapan silang hanapin ka.
Daily dedication, determination, flowing ABC, fan behind me, watch my numbers growing.
Next naman tayo. Ano itong follow? Popular? Explore? Swipe mo lang siya pa left side para makita mo pa yung iba. Meron pa dyan nearby, event, game, at virtual live. When you click follow, ang mag-a-appear dyan ay yung mga na-follow mong Bigoers if naka-live na sila. When you click popular naman, it's a mix of the one you follow at kung sino ang ma-recommend ni Bigo to watch. Next naman itong explore. Since Bigo reaches over 150 countries, it allows you to discover and interact with the other users based sa location na gusto mo. Next feature is nearby. Self-explanatory word na ito. This feature designed to interact naman within your proximity or yung malapit sa'yo. We're going to skip nga pala the other features na ang game at virtual live since self-explanatory word naman na sila. Next feature tayo. Isa sa mahalagang bagay na chinecheck dapat as user ng Bigo application, which is ang events. This allows you to discover and participate sa iba't ibang klaseng event. Isa din to sa mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo as a host. Once kasi nag-participate ka at nanalo ka, you will be recognized. Makikilala ka talaga at bukod pa doon, makaka-receive ka rin ng mga rewards. Kung ikaw ay host, I highly recommend na i-check mo ang PK events to know kung ilan ang bins ang possible mong reward. At ang PH host events na kung saan makikita mo talaga as a whole ang mga rewards na hindi napapansin ng mga hosts. Once you open the app, ito yung default interface. Nasa popular siya, and you can see all the hosts who's currently on the top sa hit list, meaning maraming viewers or gifters interacting with the host.
Every super chat brings a smile to my face, building up my base on my own stage.
Meron din Bigo Channel Room events na kung saan naman ay may mga ongoing live events. Exposure ang perks kapag sumali ka dito dahil ang mga viewers or audience mo ay from different countries. Madaming nanonood dito dahil yung mga talented hosts, madalas dito sila nagpe-perform.
Some days low views make me feel so small, but I stand up tall, giving it my all.
So, tip lang sa mga host dyan, gumamit kayo ng cover photo na mag-create ng curiosity sa mga viewers nyo Yung tipong pang clickbait. Yung mapuporce talaga sila na mag-click sa live broadcast nyo dahil sa cover photo pa lang. Para sa mga viewers naman, please mag-scroll down pa kayo. Sobrang daming host na magagaling sa Bigo. If you're looking for instant interaction with the host, puntahan nyo yung mababa ang viewers. Surely they will notice you
Hi,
instantly.
Papa Ferds. Half Spanish, half Bren.
Been grinding daily since day number one. This ain't just a game, this is how I run.
Let's try to live naman! Before the live start, gusto ko lang muna explain yung interface ng solo live sa inyo. Dahil for sure, kung ikaw ay Bigo host, magagamit mo ito. Let's start muna sa upper left portion ng live. Ito nga pala yung Bigo name nyo. And sa baba naman yung accumulated beans o nakuha mong beans simula nang mag-start ka sa Bigo. From the top, you can swipe it down below. At may kita nyo naman dyan yung live duration, new beans, new fans, or followers, at total viewers. At may kita nyo din pala dito yung mga list ng mga admins nyo. Pero kung bago pa lang kayong host, wala pa talaga kayong admin ha. But I got you. Ganito mag-set ng admin. Click the name. After you click the name, the profile will pop out. Then click manage, then click set as admin. Wait! Bago ka maglagay ng admin, make sure yung gagawin mong admin ay matagal na sa live mo. Consistent, laging andyan kapag naka-live ka. Hindi kasi pwede na kung sino lang ang admin. Dahil once naging admin na sila sa live mo, may authority na silang mag-mute or kick sa live mo. Kaya nako talaga, huwag mag-admin na may topak ha. Joke! Aside sa paglalagay ng admin, makikita nyo din dyan yung other options. Like mute, kick out, report, and block. Kaya kung may makukulit kayong viewers, you know what to do. Next, click naman natin yung room tools, which is itong 3 lines. Hindi ko na-explain lahat ng functions dito. Tanging yung mga magagamit mo lang talaga once you go live. First, itong sounds. Once you click it, lalabas yung mga emojis. Then every emojis get a unique background sound effect. And here are the samples. Next naman ay itong sticker. For me, ang purpose ko lang sa paglagay ng sticker before ay asking a gift without saying it or setting up a goal for a live. Usually, ang nilalagay ko dyan ay send gifts or 3-star. Send gifts meaning gusto mo mabigyan ng gifts para magkaroon ka naman ng beans. Yung 3-star naman, ito siya. Click mo lang ito once, then magpa-pop out na yung list. This actually a ranking system inside Bigo kapag nagla-live ka. Here are the star challenge. 1 star is equivalent to 50 beans and 2 gifters. 2 star is equivalent to 200 beans. 3 star is equivalent to 1,000 beans. 4 star is equivalent to 5,000 beans. 5 star is equivalent to 10,000 beans. First box is equivalent to 20,000 beans. For me kung newbie ka, ang pinaka-realistic mong makuha dyan ay 3 star per day. Basta sipagan at galingan mo lang.
Persistence pays off, that's what they say. Building my brand new path my own way.
Next naman ay itong gift. Para maka 3 star ka, syempre dapat alam mo din ang mga gifts. Sa bottom right corner, may kita ang mga virtual gifts. I-click mo lang ang gift icon sa baba, may kita mo dyan ang iba't ibang klaseng virtual gifts. As a host, kailangan natin makareceive nito upang makakota sa Bigo. Iba't ibang value ang mga gifts. Much better kung makaka-receive kayo ng mga legendary gifts na ang value ay 10k pataas, kagaya ng dragon, castle, yacht, at marami pang iba. At kung supporter ka naman at gusto mo magbigay ng gifts o beans sa host, kailangan mo mag-diamond recharge. Ito lang ang gagawin mo. Click diamonds. At makikita mo na kung magkano ang value ng diamonds. May iba pang options kung paano mag-recharge ng diamonds. Merong website at resellers. Make sure lang na legit ito. Next tool naman ay itong Share Live. Always use this, send it to all your GCs and supporters para alam nilang naka-live ka na.
Making connections, building my crew. ABC family always coming through.
Next naman, this is essential. All hosts must know this, ang PK. Wait, ano nga ba ang PK? Ang PK ay player knockout or player kill. But don't worry, it's not violent. In Bigo World, PK is a fun, competitive battle between 2 or more live streamers. It's one of the platform's most popular interactive features. So, paano ito nagwo-work? Mag-focus muna tayo sa official PK, which is agency is the one who is responsible sa paghahanap at replacement ng opponent mo. This is a 1v1 battle, 15 minutes, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Whoever got the biggest or highest charming points wins. If you got 30,000 charming points, that's 3,000 beans. Just remove the first digit number sa charming points. Yun na equivalent niya sa beans. There's also bonus beans if you reach a certain charming points.
Stream after stream, I'm making my mark. Lighting up screens from dawn until dark.
So, how to manually invite someone on 1v1 PK? Click mo lang ang PK, then click the settings, set mo muna for 15 minutes and 1 round. Search for the Bigo ID at lalabas na yung profile. Then click invite, wait mo na lang i-accept ang invitation mo. Kaya kung ikaw ay may natutunan sa video na to, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next video. Para sa mga aspiring Bigo host dyan at gusto din kumita sa application na to, mag-message lang kayo dito.